Are you looking for the best steam mops in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best steam mops that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is a great choice for cleaning and sanitizing sealed hard floors. It eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam, and the flip-down easy scrubber makes it easy to power through tough, sticky messes. The Smart Set digital steam control lets you choose from high, medium, or low steam settings based on your cleaning needs, and the swivel steering and 23-foot power cord make it easy to maneuver around your home. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop comes with a microfiber soft pad, a microfiber scrubby pad, 2 Spring Breeze fragrance discs, and a carpet glider, and it's ready to use in 30 seconds. At number 2, Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop. The Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is a great way to clean your hard floors without all the mess and hassle of a traditional mop and bucket. The Steam Pocket Mop turns ordinary water into superheated steam to remove everyday dirt and grime that other mops leave behind, and it dries almost immediately. The microfiber pads lift and lock in dirt, and the quick-release cord makes it easy to store and release the power cord. The Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is safe to use on hard floor surfaces, including hardwood floors, and it comes with a rectangle mop head. At number 3, Shark S5000 and 3D Genius. Are you looking for a powerful and easy-to-use steam mop? If so, the Shark S5000 and 3D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System Pocket Steam Mop is a great option to consider. This steam mop features a water tank with a capacity of 220 milliliters, 3-setting intelligent steam control, double-sided dirt grip washable pads, and a Genius head with direct steam channeling. The Steam Blaster technology on the steam mop allows you to blast away tough dirt and stains without having to use any bleach, powdered detergent, or fabric softeners. This can help to protect your floors from damage. The touch-free technology on the steam mop is also a great feature as it allows you to avoid having to touch dirty water or pads. At number 4, Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop. Are you looking for a powerful and effective way to clean your hardwood and tile floors? If so, you need the Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Steam Vacuum Cleaner. This amazing machine can vacuum and steam your floors at the same time, making cleaning quick and easy. The PEG model features the exclusive drop-it tank emptying system, which prevents you from getting your hands dirty. The PET model also includes disposable pads for those pet messes you'd rather throw away and washable microfiber pads for everyday cleaning. The powerful, cyclonic vacuum helps capture pet hair and debris, making this the perfect machine for pet owners. At number 5, Bissell PowerFresh Liftoff Pet Steam Mop. The Bissell PowerFresh Liftoff Pet Steam Mop is a versatile and easy-to-use steam mop that is perfect for homes with pets. The Liftoff Pet model features a 2-in-1 steam mop, allowing you to tackle pet messes both on and above your floors. The Liftoff Pet model includes 13 versatile tools for use with the handheld steam cleaner, making it a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for your home. The PowerFresh Liftoff Pet Steam Mop is a great way to clean your floors without the use of harsh chemicals. The PowerFresh Liftoff Pet Steam Mop is a great choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and effective steam mop. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.